So cone will have dimension C1 circular base of radius R, isn't it? Then one height will be there, and this one is slanting height, which we will denote as L. Okay, so CSA, curved surface area of cone, will be pi r L. Then TSA of cone is, TSA of cone means curved surface area, isn't it? And plus base area. So base is circular in shape. So pi r L plus area of circle is pi r square. So pi r we can take common and L plus r. So this is TSA of cone. Then volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now here we have one relationship between L, H and R. If you observe, this makes a right triangle in which L we can treat as hypotenuse. So after applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write L square is equal to H square plus R square, isn't it? Or L we can write square root of H square plus R square. So given any two value, we can find the third one. If H and R will be given in the question, we can find L, and if L and H, then we can find R. So these all are the formulas related to cone. Now first exercises. Exercise 13.3, first question. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5. Okay. So diameter of the base 10.5 centimeter. Slant height means L. Okay. Actual height they will write height only, but for slant height, for L they will write slant height is 10 centimeter. Find CSA and TSA. Okay. So in CSA and TSA, H is not required, isn't it? Pi r L and pi r L plus R. So here height is H value is not required, so no need to find. Okay, all the other values are given to us. Only from the diameter we will find R. So here R will be diameter by 2, that is 10.5 by 2. Okay, this we will write as it is for time being. Now CSA of cone pi r L. Okay, so that will be 22 by 7, R is 10.5 by 2 and L is 10. So with 2 we can cancel 7, 2 5s are 10. Okay, then with 7 we can cancel 7 1s are 7, 3 will remain, so 7 5s are. So this 5 into 22 will give 110 into 1.5. Now from 15 we can multiply. So for timing we can avoid decimal. So 0, 15, 15 ones are and 1 6. Then after one digit decimal is there, so one digit. So answer is 165 centimeter square. So this is CSA. For TSA, formula is pi r L plus R, TSA of cone. So 22 by 7, 10.5 by 2, L plus R means 10 plus 10.5 by 2. So here also this will go with 11, 7 and 1.5. So this also we can multiply 165, isn't it? After one digit decimal, so 16.5. And for this we can cross multiply. So 16.5 into this will give 30.5 divided by 2, which we can further divide. See, from 2 we can cancel 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10. So 8.25 into 30.5. So this we can multiply 30.5 and 8.25 to get answer as 251,625. Now after 3 digit decimal is there, so after 3 digit. Okay, so this is final answer, centimeter square, TSA. In question number 2, TSA of the cone we should find. TSA of cone and L, that is slant height, is given 21 centimeter, 21 meter, and diameter of the base is 24 meter. Okay, so we know from diameter we can find radius, isn't it? So 24 by 2 means 12 meter. Then TSA of cone will be pi r bracket L plus r. So 22 by 7, r is 12, L is 21 plus r is 12. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 12 into this we can add to get 33. See, these numbers won't go with 7, that means we have to multiply this and then we can divide by 7. So this will give 12, 4 will come here, 264, okay, into 33 by 7. Then from 7 we can cancel 7, 3s are 21, we know, isn't it? 5 will remain, then 7, 7s are 49. So 5 will remain again, then 7 7s are 49. So 37.7 we can multiply with 33 to get our answer. So answer is 212441. Okay, so here after 1 digit decimal is there, so we'll put after 1 digit. So 1244 meter square is the final answer. Since we took here after 1 digit, only 1 digit we took here, that's why answer has come like this. If you will take 2 decimal after this 2 decimal, so answer will vary by point difference. That also will be correct. In question 2, it is given that CSA of cone is 308 centimeter square and slant height is given. R and TSA we should find here. So we know CSA of cone is 308, but using formula we know it is pi r L. So pi r L is 308. Okay, now we'll substitute all the values. Pi is 22 by 7, r is not known, L is 14 equals to 308. So here from 7 we can cancel 7 2s are 14, and this we can write 44 into r. Okay, so r will be 308 by 44. So from 11 we can cancel 11 4s are, 11 2s are, so 8 will remain, so 11 8s are, then 4 1s are, 4 7s are. So r equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, after getting this TSA we can find. TSA of cone by using formula also we can find, or since we know it is equal to CSA plus pi r square, isn't it? So CSA is already given, so it will reduce calculation. Then 22 by 7, r square is 7 into 7, just now we got r as 7, so 1 7 will go with 1 7, so 308 plus this we can multiply to get 154. So final answer will be 462 centimeter square. This is TSA of cone. Question 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high. So height is 10 meter radius of the base is 24 meter, then find the slant height and cost of the canvas required to make tent if cost of 1 meter square canvas is 70 rupees. These all things are given to us. So for L we should use the formula L is equal to square root of h square plus r square, isn't it? So h square, h is 10, so 10 square, r is 24, so 24 square, 10 square we know is 100, 24 square is 576, this will give 676, which is 20 square root of 26. So L is 26 meter. Now we know for tent, for making tent, this is ground, isn't it? So for making tent, only CSA of the cone is required. Okay, so what we will do here, only CSA we will find. So for the second part, canvas required for tent is equal to CSA of tent, isn't it? Which is equal to pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 24, and L we got as 26. So this 3 we will multiply to get CSA. Okay, so we can multiply this 24 into 2. So 8, 528 will come, then with 26 divide by 7. So 528 with 26. One 3728 divide by 7 meter square. Okay, this we can cancel also with 7. We will get in decimal. Now we need to find the cost. Okay, so cost of, we know cost of 1 meter square canvas is 70 rupees. So cost of this much meter square, that is 13728 by 7 meter square, will be 70 into 13728 by 7, isn't it? These now two number we should multiply here. So 7 will go with 70. That means final answer is 137,280. Okay, 1,37,280 rupees we should require to make the conical tent.